In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Remote Play lag so your game streams smoothly without stuttering, input delay, or low quality video. Steam Remote Play is an amazing feature that lets you stream games from your main PC to another device. But if your settings aren't configured properly, you can run into serious lag, frame drops, and latency issues that make games almost unplayable. The good news is that fixing most remote play lag problems only takes a few quick adjustments inside Steam. I'll walk you through the exact settings you should enable, plus a simple network change that can dramatically improve performance. By the end of this video, your remote play experience should feel much smoother and more responsive. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on the computer that is hosting the game. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner and click on Steam. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the Settings window, find the option called Remote Play in the left sidebar and click on it. This section controls how your computer streams games to other devices. Make sure Remote Play is enabled and then click on the button that says Advanced Host Options. These settings control how your PC encodes and sends the game video across your network. One of the most important fixes for lag is enabling hardware encoding. Inside Advanced Host Options, look for the option called Enable Hardware Encoding. Turn this on if it isn't already enabled. Hardware encoding allows your GPU to handle the video compression instead of your CPU. This usually reduces latency, improves streaming quality, and lowers the overall load on your system while you play. When hardware encoding is enabled, Steam can stream frames faster and more efficiently, which helps eliminate stutter and delay when playing remotely. After enabling this option, click OK to save the setting and return to the Remote Play menu. Next, let's talk about one of the biggest causes of remote play lag, and that's your network connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi on your host PC, switching to a wired Ethernet connection can make a huge difference. Wi-Fi connections often introduce packet loss, unstable speeds, and higher latency, which all contribute to streaming lag. Using a wired Ethernet cable provides a much more stable and consistent connection between your host computer and your router. This stability allows Steam Remote Play to deliver smoother video and more responsive input. If possible, connect both your host PC and the device you're streaming to using Ethernet. Even switching just the host PC to a wired connection can significantly reduce lag and improve streaming performance. Another quick tip is to close any large downloads or bandwidth-heavy apps while using Remote Play. Programs that use your network in the background can reduce the bandwidth available for streaming your game. Keeping your network clear helps Steam maintain a steady stream with fewer interruptions. After making these changes, restart Steam and try launching your remote play session again. In most cases, you should notice smoother gameplay, reduced input delay, and far fewer stutters, and that's it. That's how to fix Steam Remote Play lag with just a few quick settings and network improvements. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.